What is up, guys? Welcome back to another day here at Whitley Auto Works. Today is all about Eye Candy Pigments Ghost Pearls, guys. I had a subscriber reach out to me not long ago, and he said, why does Eye Candy Pigments have 3 different types of ghost pearls? Well, they're trying to give you more options, guys, and I know a lot of other companies don't have a bunch of different ones, and Eye Candy has your regular ghost pearl, your glimmer ghost pearl, which is a little bit bigger, and then your galactic ghost pearl, guys, which is the biggest pigment size of all. So we're going to compare them all today and see what, situations you would want to use certain ones in, and just so you guys get a good idea of what you might want to do for your next project. So without further ado, let me show you my setup. Alright, guys, so what I've taken the liberty to do ahead of time is make up some speed shapes. Now you might see they're in groups of 3. I've got 3 ultra black right here, a really cool RUSTOLEUM color. I've got 3 in this really cool blue color. And then a subscriber wanted to see gold over orange. So we're going to be shooting a gold today over all 3 of these different colors. Create a really cool Lamborghini orange and 2 other different color variations so we can really show the full level of effects from light to dark on ghost pearls and the different sizes. So, alright, over here we've got 3 ghost pearls, guys. Eye Candy Pigments. We got Ghost Gold, Glimmer Ghost Gold, and then Galactic Ghost Gold. And you can already see in powder form, see how that powder is very, very fine. And then you come up to this right here, it's a little bit thicker than that powder. And then you come up to here and look at those chunks. So various different sizes, but we're going to show them in the mix and everything else too. That way you guys can differentiate between everything. And yeah, let's mix up some a little bit and some clear, and we'll get into showing the differences. Alright, guys, so what I've done is done 3 cups of 2-ounce clear, just so we can mix all these up and showcase them. And I'm going to take a little bit of each of these powders and put them in the mix, and then bring them all together in close so we can actually go over everything. So as far as measuring this out, this is just a test experiment for today. But as far as the Ghost Gold goes, now you can already see that's the powder for the Ghost Gold. It's really, really fine, guys. You can even see it on my finger right there. It's the finest of the particles. This is going to be closer to what you would probably get, if you were going with a factory pearl type finish. So this is the one that most all the other companies are going to be the same size as. So that's that. We'll put that to the side. And this is what it looks like in the mix before I get to stirring it. Just like I said, a basic powder, and then you get to mixing it, and you'll instantly see it start to turn gold at certain light angles. Now, like I said, this is a white particle based pearl with it being ghost pearls. So, it just kind of, the light hits it and it gives a really good effect, and then the light goes away and then it just has a nice sheen to it. Now with solid pearls, they're going to cover up everything. You'll see them all the time. That's why I always tell everybody, when in doubt, go with a ghost pearl, because a solid pearl over a light colored panel could possibly make it look dirty when the sun's not on it. So that's regular Ghost Gold right there. Pretty cool pearl. Alright, now let's mix up some Galactic Ghost Gold. Now, this one is a little bit thicker of a pigment. This is the one I've used, not this particular Ghost Gold, I use Ghost Blue, but I use it on a lot of projects of my own because it's a good middle ground between all 3 of them. So we'll mix up a little bit of this and this mix right here. And you can probably see that powder right there is, it's kind of hard to see on camera, but it is a good bit thicker than the regular. So I'm going to put some of that in the mix. Alright, set that to the side. And even before I go to mixing, you can already tell. See the size of the pigment of that powder? And then I go to mixing, and it does kind of dissipate, but you get a lot more of a sparkle to it. And I know this is Ghost Gold, so this is one of the trickier ones to see, but I had a subscriber in particular that wanted to see Ghost Gold, so that's why we decided to go down the rabbit hole today with this. But yeah, so that's the glimmer, and you can really tell right there how it's got a fatter particle size than this right here. So that's, see how smooth that is in comparison? Let me get this right here. Let's see what I can do. You see the 2 side by side. That one's very smooth, and this one right here, you actually see it almost like sparkles and flakes in the mix. So, and then we had the Galactic, guys. This is the big boy. This is the boat flake of pearls. Very, very thick pigments. You can kind of see that. Let's mix some of this up real quick. And this will be our third. I mean, look at the chunks. You can see that. Let me put some of that in the mix. All right. And set this over to the side. And even before I get to stirring, you see the thickness of that in comparison to that right there. I mean, it's a whole lot thicker. I can get the camera to focus. But let me mix it up real good. And all of these are great in their own right. You just kind of have to know which one you're going for as far as effect wise. But I mean, look at the sparkle in that one right there. You can even see it on the little stick, the eye candy stick. See that sparkle? And then you go from that to something like this. Still a good bit of sparkle, but a little bit less. And then this right here is extremely fine. So you see the sparkle, but it's very fine. So that's the three different ones. I'm going to kind of pan them around for you guys so you can see them a little more up close. So that's Ghost Gold right there. That's Glimmer. And then that's Galactic. So you kind of see the particle size on that one's ridiculous compared to that's a little bit lighter, and then that's super fine. So, and there's your ghost pearls. Let's do some spray outs. Alright guys, for anybody curious, this is my little 1.2 touch-up gun that I got off of Temu. It's a MP102. I did a Temu episode a while ago and I showcased this little touch-up gun. It's great for small projects like this if you guys want to pick one up or look into it. But like I said, it's made by N Tools. So the N Tools MP102, and it's got the 1.2 tip. Alright, let's take everything out in the sun and let's see what we got. Alright guys, so here they are, the Ghost Golds. Now we'll start off right here. This is Ghost Gold. This is the regular Ghost Gold. Then you move over to the Glimmer Ghost Gold. You can already see how this right here, the pigmentation on it's thicker than that. And then you move over to the Galactic. And the Galactic, you see the particles are huge. And you know, I shot it a little bit heavier on this one because the particles are so small, you get coverage a lot quicker. And then as you move up in size, you get a whole lot different of a story with stuff, but very sparkly. That's really, really cool. That's the Ghost Gold. And then the Glimmer. And then the real sparkler, Galactic. So, what do you guys think? Alright guys, so here's the blue. Now this is a little bit harder to get on camera. As you can see, when you move around the sun at certain angles, it kind of disappears and then it kind of comes back when the light's back on it. But as far as these go, this one right here is your Ghost Gold. You can tell because I kind of went heavy in the mix on that one. And then the Glimmer right here, you can tell the particle difference. See how it's a little bit thicker? And then the galactic, this one right here is the really thick one, and I'm trying to get it good on camera. I'm trying to get it in the light so you can see it, but I'm gonna take it inside and we'll compare two and you'll be able to see even better. But that's the blue. All right, let's check out the orange. Alright guys, so now we have the orange, the one that the subscriber wanted to see. This is Ghost Gold. You can see the pigmentation on it, very fine. And then you step over to Glimmer, definitely got much more of a sparkle than the regular Ghost. Try to put them a little closer together so you can kind of see the difference in the sparkles. And then you move over to the Galactic, which is really big. So I'm trying to get it at a good angle so you can kind of see the differences. The sun's kind of at a weird spot in the sky right now, but it's doing some weird stuff. I hope this is kind of picking up on camera. You don't see the galactic variation from the Glimmer a whole lot, but you definitely see a big difference when you jump from regular Ghost over to Glimmer. So that's the orange, and let's take it inside and see if we can't see these a little bit better. All right guys, so starting over here, this is the Ghost. So that's your Ghost, and then when the sun goes away, you see how you get a little bit of that Ghost effect, but you see how fine the particle is over that? And then you jump up to something like that. See, there's your Glimmer. See how it glimmers? And then you go back over here, you can kind of see the comparison. Like, see how fine this is. All right, and then we step over, that's over the blue. And then we go to Glimmer. So a big difference between this and that. And then you get that over all three colors. And then Glimmer, Galactic. And you see how thick those particles are in comparison to that right there. And then that right there. So Ghost, Glimmer, Galactic. And it's just insane. 3 different options. Very, very cool. All of them in their own right. But it just really depends on what you're going for. If you're trying to go for that factory style finish, I would say the Ghost is always your best bet. If you want a little more pop, give it a nice mid-range sparkle, then, you know, Glimmer might be your guy. And then Galactic. Now, if you just want to make a statement, you want to go boat pearl, or you're doing some crazy effects paint job, Galactic would be the choice. But very cool options. What do you guys think? So as you can imagine, we had quite a bit of ghost pearls left over from doing that spray out. So what I've done is I got a fender prepped up and ready, and I just couldn't help myself. I mixed all 3 ghost pearls together. I know a lot of people like to see it over like gold and silvers and stuff like that. So I got one side that's black, so you'll see it over a solid color. One side that's silver, it's RUSTOLEUM Automotive Touch-Up Silver. And I've mixed the Galactic, the Glimmer, and the Ghost all together in my Intercraft drizzle paint gun. I'll be shooting at 28 PSI, it's a 1.3 tip. Great little gun, and we're going to coat this thing, give it a really nice effect, and then take it out in the sun and see what we got. I'm going to put my mask on. Let's get the spraying. Alright guys, we now have all 3 Ghost Gold, Glimmer Ghost Gold, and Galactic Ghost Gold combined over top of black and over silver. Over that silver you get a much more subtle effect, but you do see kind of a sparkle of gold when the light hits it. And over that black, wow, man, it is just full transparency. So just goes to show you the depth that ghost pearls can go to. But hey, it ain't up to me. What do you guys think? Wow, that made for a pretty cool spray out. Over the silver, guys, we got a very, very cool shifting silver to gold sheen out when the light hits it, and that's the ghost pearl. But you know, when the light was off of it, you notice it didn't dirty up the panel. It just kind of disappeared. And that's kind of the benefit of using a white particle pearl like a ghost pearl or a white particle based color shift pearl instead of a solid pearl when you're kind of unsure what kind of effect you want and you don't want it to ruin the panel. Like over black right here, you saw how when the light hits it, it's very apparent, and then when the light's off of it, you see more of the black. That's the ghost nature of it. And with solid pearls, you don't get that. With solid pearls, it's there all the time. So say you stack a black pearl over top of a white base, well, it's going to look dirty because you see that pearl over top of it, to where the ghost pearls, the white particle pearls like this, they kind of disappear and let the color do its thing kind of separately. But when the light hits it, well, there they are. So if you're ever kind of on the fence on which one to choose, ghost pearls are always the safest option when it comes to getting a color effect over top of pretty much any color. And then of course over black, like pretty much any other pearl, it showcases the true color range of everything, and you see the total effect of the pearl. And ghost pearls, man, especially when you mix galactic, glimmer, and ghost together, they got a really cool pop. But you know what? It ain't up to me. Rate today's spray out. Rate the other spray outs. Let me know what you thought. Did you learn something today? Do you understand ghost pearls a little bit more? That was kind of the whole purpose of today's video, is kind of showcasing it, because not every company does 3 different sizes of a certain pearl, and Eye Candy has really gone outside the box to help everybody achieve the result they want. And the pop of an Eye Candy pearl is very, very good. So I'm an affiliate. I can get you guys a discount. My links will be in the description. Just enter WAWSHOP at checkout. You'll get a discount. It goes to help out the channel. It's a win-win for both of us. And if you have any questions at all about ghost pearls, definitely drop them down in the comments. I'll answer them any way I can. And that's pretty much where I'm at for today, guys. Also, I want to mention that WHITLEYAutoworks.com is now open. So if you guys decide you want to buy any merch from me, I have my store open now. You can check that out. I'll have links in the description to that. And if you made it this far in the video, you like what I'm doing, and you haven't already, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Ring that little bell beside it. That way you'll get notified every time a new episode drops. And like I said before, please leave me a quick like and comment. Helps me out with engagement to get this video to spread out and keep going. And you can hype up the video if you want to. I appreciate that as well. So, all right, guys. Well, I guess that's going to be it for me today. Until next time, I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. Hope you guys have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next episode.